Tips to upgrade your skill while having a full-time day job. Hey there, welcome back to our channel, where we help you excel in your career while managing a full-time job. Today, I am Rohit Mamgain, a strategic leader and alumni of Bangalore. I will share 5 amazing tips to upgrade your skills even if you have a busy schedule. But before we dive into the tips, let's talk about the power of having a career coach. Tip 1. Set clear goals and create a learning plan. The first tip is to set clear goals for your skill development. Identify what skills you want to upgrade and why they are essential for your career growth. Once you have a clear vision, create a learning plan that fits into your busy schedule. Tip 2. Utilize micro-learning opportunities. Tip number 2 is to embrace micro-learning opportunities. Break down your learning into smaller, manageable chunks that you can fit into your daily routine. This could be reading articles during your lunch break or watching short educational videos while commuting. Tip 3. Maximize your commute and downtime. The third tip is to make the most of your commute and downtime. Instead of scrolling through social media or watching random videos, use that time to listen to podcasts or audiobooks related to your desired skill development. Tip 4. Negotiate for learning opportunities at work. Tip number 4 is to negotiate for learning opportunities at your workplace. Some companies offer training programs, workshops, or even financial support for employees who want to upgrade their skills. Don't hesitate to discuss these possibilities with your HR department or manager. Tip 5. Join online learning platforms. The fifth and final tip is to explore online learning platforms. There are numerous platforms out there, offering courses on virtually every topic you can imagine. Look for courses that align with your career goals and allow you to learn at your own pace.